guys, what's up? I want to do a quick video today about my R32 GTR, just about as far as like the battery fitment. This is the battery that came in the vehicle when I purchased it. It's Panasonic, so a little tiny Japanese battery. It's got the Japanese smaller JIS terminals versus the US terminals. This battery is not very old. It's from 2016, so it's barely 2 years old, and it's dead. It won't hold a charge anymore. I made the mistake. I should have taken the terminals off and left the battery disconnected, but I just put it on a trickle charger and like start the car once a month and let it run for a little bit. And by doing that over time, the battery eventually died. It doesn't work anymore. And if anybody has a Skyline, you know that there's not a lot of options for batteries. So I went ahead and got the Optima yellow top. And this is the deep cycle battery. So let's take a look at it and compare the size to the Panasonic. So this is actually for a Toyota Prius. And size-wise, you can see that it's a lot bigger than the Panasonic. So that should give me a lot more capacity. Looks like it's, I don't know, 3 inches wider or so. And then this has cranking amps of 575 and cold cranking amps of 450. The Japanese one, I don't know what the stats are, but a lot of the cars that come from Japan have the same little Panasonic battery. So we'll go ahead and throw it in the car and see how it fits. So it fits real nice in the stock spot. And the reason I went with this battery versus like getting a US spec battery is I didn't want to have to deal with taking these wires off for the terminals and converting it and cutting those wires, because these are the JIS Japanese terminals, and a lot of the US batteries are taller because you got a little bit more space for like front to back width. But as far as the height, I wanted to be able to retain the factory securing like tie down for the battery. Alright, let's go ahead and take these terminal tabs off. And we're going to start by putting the positive on with the new battery. And then negative goes on next. Alright, so the terminal's on. I've snugged them down. That's the model number on this, so if anybody's looking at replacing it, it's just a Toyota Prius battery. If you go and do a search on Amazon, you can find the battery. It's pretty expensive. It's like $238 plus tax with free shipping. It's the DS462B24R. So let's test the ignition. Yep, so everything's good. Got power again. Alright, let's do a quick startup. Can you hear the high kiss is faster, the pump in the back? And it definitely cranks faster than the old battery. The old one cranked way longer and slower. So it's nice to see this thing has some juice. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Hopefully you like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll be back with some more videos. I got some stuff to work on here in the next couple of weeks, so I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.